The following is an explanation of the Maserati GT Upgrade 12.3-inch screen installation tutorial. First, we use tweezers to pry up the coaster. Unscrew the 2 screws below. Use the pry plate to pry up the decorative blocks on the left and right sides of the gear lever. Remove the screws. Priya opens the baffle next to the seat. Pick up the cup holder. Unscrew the screws under the flashing light. Priya opens the decorative strip at the front of the central control. Remove the screws. Unscrew the screws on the passenger storage box. Remove the main unit with a special screwdriver. Two screws on the storage box. There is a screw on each side of the host. Remove the central control screen. Remove the central control panel. Remove the screen. Install touchscreen. Install the fixing bracket. Install the screen frame. Plug in the adapter cable. Flex screen wiring harness. Fix the screen. Installation is completed after installing the decorative strips.